What's up, guys? Welcome back to the
I can barely hear
of the
you.
Rookie Classic. Today it's gonna be a track session, kinda. I'm gonna be doing hack runs, about 5 to 6 Ks, and then we'll be coming back to the track. We'll be doing 2x200, 2x150, and 2x100 meters. So yeah, that should be fun. Let's roll on to it. Session is gonna be 2x200, 2x150, and then 2x100. All walking rests in between. But yeah, should be just pretty light, not too hard. Just get the legs used to pretty fast paces. So yeah, let's get into it now. Alright, also it's getting pretty late now. The sun goes down about 6 every day, so sorry if like the clips are pretty dark. If it is, then it's because I took too long and it's like nighttime already. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Last rep, we have one more 100 meters to go. Last one was a 16. Let's see if we can get under 15 seconds.
Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, said ooh. Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, said ooh. Well, then suddenly there was no one standing in the hall.
Somehow,
Wet
the
grass,
track is like so wet, man.
mud,
Good thing
no
I have my
spike.
bike. Alright, solid sesh. Good day in the office. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. How do you say bye again, Maksis?
Adios.
Oh yeah. Adios, amigos.